Hello, I'm Michelle from Protein Software. I will introduce you to the SMTP address copying part of Account Manager for Microsoft 365, known as AMM365. This part is probably the most used part, because it allows to manipulate not only SMTP addresses but also email addresses as well as UPN identifiers. Let's see how. Let's take a simple example to understand. Let's go to our OU accounting, for example to the account of the user Ajit Halla. We see that the email address is different from the UPN. The email address uses the contoso.com domain, the same as the primary SMTP address, while UPN uses domain.com as suffix. We will see how to modify these attributes in a few clicks on all the user accounts of our OU accounting in complete safety. Let's click on the SMTP tab, then on Copy SMTP Address. Let's choose our OU accounting. The operation is simple, just choose from the list the element to copy in the left part. In our case, we can take the main SMTP address. Then in the right part, we choose the elements that will be modified. We tick the UPN and the email address to ensure that this attribute corresponds to the SMTP address. Then let's run a test for verification. We can see on Alexandra Rue's account that the email address will not be changed, but that her UPN will be identical to her SMTP address. Let's click on Go to apply the changes. Let's see now in the Active Directory, in our OU accounting. We can check on Alexandra's account, the UPN, email address, and SMTP address are identical. This is simply an example, but with the different options available to you, AMM365 will be able to respond favorably to all modification scenarios. This is why AMM365 is really an indispensable tool and saves time compared to the time you will spend doing these tasks yourself manually or trying out scripts. Well, I hope this part answered your questions. Do not hesitate to ask us your questions or give your opinions directly on our site and to visit our other videos online. Thank you and see you soon at www.am365.com.